Good morning, students. This is GS Rajput, TGT Computer. Today we are starting our first chapter, which is Know Your Computer. It means that in this chapter we will discuss about the different parts of a computer. So, with the help of this diagram, you can understand very well about the different parts of a computer system. Firstly, I will define the term computer. What is computer? Students, we know very well computer is an electronic device which processes and stores the data. We know very well computer system is mainly a combination of two components. These are hardware and software. These both are depend on each other. It means that without hardware a software cannot work, and without software a hardware cannot work. These both are depend on each other. ये दोनों ही अपने वर्क के लिए एक दूसरे पर डिपेंड होते हैं. हार्डवेयर के बिना सॉफ्टवेयर वर्क नहीं कर सकता और सॉफ्टवेयर के बिना हार्डवेयर वर्क नहीं कर सकता. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द हार्डवेयर. All the physical parts of a computer which can be seen or touched are called hardware. कंप्यूटर के वे पार्ट जिनको हम छू सकते हैं और देख सकते हैं हार्डवेयर पार्ट्स या फिजिकल पार्ट्स के नाम से जाने जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कीबोर्ड, माउस, CPU, UPS, monitor, these all are the physical parts or hardware parts of a computer that we can touch and see. We can divide hardware into four categories. First one is input devices, second one is output devices, third is processing devices, and the last is storage devices. Now we will discuss about the software. What is software? Software is a set of instructions given to a computer to make it work. It's called software. In other words, we can say it is a part of a computer that we cannot touch and see. सॉफ्टवेयर कंप्यूटर का वो पार्ट होता है जो इंटरनली वर्क करता है, जिसको ना तो हम छू सकते हैं और ना ही हम देख सकते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल ह्यूमन बॉडी में हमारा जो ब्रेन होता है वो क्या सोचता है, उसको हम कोई व्यक्ति उसको देख सकता है या छू सकता है, नहीं छू सकता ना और ना ही देख सकता है. सो सॉफ्टवेयर की वर्किंग भी सेम होती है. ओके ना तो इसको कोई देख सकता है ना ही इसको कोई छू सकता है. विदाउट सॉफ्टवेयर अ कंप्यूटर कैन नॉट वर्क. सॉफ्टवेयर enables the user to interact with the computer, its hardware and perform specific tasks. We know very well there are two types of software, system software and application software. Firstly, we will discuss about the application software. This software does an specific type of work. ये जो एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर होता है वो एक विशेष काम करने के लिए बनाया गया होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फॉर कैलकुलेशंस वी विल यूज़ कैलकुलेटर एंड फॉर ड्राइंग वी विल यूज़ द MS Paint. So these both are application software, and another application softwares are MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint. These all are the application software. Now we will discuss about the system software. This software controls the overall working of a computer. Without a system software we cannot even start the computer. So the examples of the system softwares are Windows, Mac, Linux, Unix. These all are the examples of a system software. The major difference between application software and system software is that without application software our computer can be started, but without system software our computer cannot be started. This is a major difference between system software and application software. Students, if you have any query about this chapter or related to this topic, you can ask from me. Thank you.